Do you also want to create this viral glowing eye effect? Videos just for you. Welcome to the Guju Edition channel. So without wasting time, let's start the video. First, prepare a clip like this in After Effects. Then create a solid layer above the clip. Apply the optical flares effect to this solid layer. You will notice a black background. Set the render mode to transparent to fix it. Now click on Options and a panel will open. In the Effects section, keep only Glint and Glow enabled and remove all the other effects. Then add the Streak effect as well. Adjust all the effect values the same way I do. If you want this optical flares plugin, I've shared it on my Telegram channel. Next, to track the glow with the eyes, click on the clip layer and apply track motion. Place the track point on the eye and start tracking. After that, click on Edit Target, select the solid layer, and click Apply. Finally, align the optical flares effect with the eyes. And your glowing eye effect is ready. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.